Hello friends, today I will tell you how to create apps in MIT App Inventor. First, type MIT App Inventor. Click on the first link MIT App Inventor. Click on Create Apps. Choose any Google account of yours. Click, click on Close. Click on Start a New Project. You can give name anything. I give it Hello App. Now it has opened. This viewer is a screen on which you can design your apps. Here are the palette on which all components are there. Here all components that you have drag and drop on the viewer screen. You will get all the components in here. Properties of anything like I have drag and drop a button on the screen. Here are the properties of my button. If I want the text of the button font bold, give it font bold. If I want it font italic, I will click on font italic. If I want to set font size of the text, I can set it. If I want to set font typeface, it can be serif, moon space, sans serif, anything. And you can adjust the height and width of the button according to you. You can give an image, any image from doing upload file here and giving a file, giving an image here and clicking OK. Then you can set the shapes, rounded, rectangular, oval, anything. Then you can set the text. I have written say hello. And we can set text alignment of it like I have said it right. It will extend to the right. Now from here it is automatic, so you cannot see it. Now you can say it. Here it is say hello. My text. I have aligned it to the right. I can align it to the left also. And I can also set the text color. I have orange. It is here orange. Okay. Then we have to go in media and drag and drop a component text to speech 1, and then click on blocks. First, click on button 1. This component, when button 1 click, do take it out, and then click on text to speech 1, call text to speech 1 speak message. Take it, drag it and take it to here on button 1. And then what if I want that when the button 1 that I have set say hello, click, that should speak anything I want speak it, say hello. Here is a text option. This component is a text component where we can write anything. Here I have written say hello and enter. Now I have made an app say hello. Okay, when I click on this button say hello on my mobile phone, my mobile phone will speak say hello. It can be also hello if I want it hello. If I set it hello, it can also be hello. Now if I take it hello, I click on say hello button on my mobile phone. My mobile phone will speak say hello. Now I will teach you how to connect mobile phone and your laptop on Bluetooth and connection. First, connect click on connect AI companion. Click here. Take your mobile phone and scan it. Here it will come a progress bar and it will be connected.